Victor Goncharsky, US 5 Whiskey Echo, gets assistance with his K3 at the Dayton Hamvention 2009.
The second question on sideband, when you start talking, the power output is about the half of what it will be in, say, 1 minute or 2 minutes. It's simply rising. What is the what could be kind of a capacitor charge? Because I'm an electronics engineer, I understand this very well, building for years in the Soviet Union. You know, so that is a problem number 2.
Right. Well, the step 1 is be sure that you've done the transmitter power calibration process. When that's done, then if you've done that, and if when you're talking and the meter is in the ALC mode and on speech you're getting, 4 bars or 5 bars of ALC.
But then it goes away, and I have 100 watts of talking power without any problem. Actually, the power amplifier is very good. It's delivering 140, 130, 140 watts easily. So I love it. I love it. But that is the problem. Then when I start talking, the power is less.
This is David. Are you right? I understand. What I'm saying is, if you're getting enough ALC, because the ALC display here is from audio, not from RF. So that's telling you enough microphone drive. Okay. When the ALC goes up to the end, now that's RF. But the first 4 or 5 bars of it are audio. So you want to be sure that your mic gain is set so that when you begin talking, you've got 5 bars of ALC.
Okay, do you advise to get microphone gain higher? Or lower?
You need to have it higher.
We have an Hale headset, HT5.
Right. And well, I guess what I'm saying is that when you begin speaking, you should be getting 4 or 5 bars of ALC. And that's the right level. If you give it a little more, that's okay. If you give it less than that, you'll see power creep, like what you're talking about. So you want to be sure that that's set right. You want to be sure that you've done the transmitter power calibration. And if you've done that, it should be okay.
Okay, excuse me. Okay.
That we have another feature in the menu. You should not need to use it, but if you do, in the config menu, there's a thing that's called TX transmit gain for voice. So this sets the initial conditions of the overall transmitter power strip gain. So kick it up a dB or 2, and that means that when you're in voice mode in sideband, it's going to have that much more gain initially. It should not be necessary. But it's there if you need it.
Okay. It looks like the rest is working perfectly.
Okay, well, thank you. And it's certainly on our list of things to look into to get finer resolution on this.
This is necessary thing. Yes. Absolutely necessary. As a contester.
Right, I understand.
I can tell you.
Yeah.
Because, well, I was trying all configurations and menu, trying to get rid of this, that I could not. So, well, I've been thinking, well, maybe I'm stupid.
Yeah, no. It's just it's on the list of things to be taken care of.
Wow, great. But up to now, it is not done yet.
That's correct.
Okay, very nice. So I love the radio.
Thank you.
You're doing a great job, Paul.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's see a handshake there.
A handshake.
Okay.
The Foundation for Amateur International Radio Services had a booth at the Dayton Hamvention for many years, representing its members and the Foundation in using amateur radio to develop international goodwill, and we're so pleased that again this year the Dayton Amateur Radio Club has presented a grant of $500 to the Foundation for the 3rd year in a row, and we want to thank the Dayton Amateur Radio Club for this wonderful support for the work that the members of the Ferris Foundation does worldwide. Thank you so much. Have a great day.